What's up guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sharon Joki and I do videos here on YouTube that deal with hair and beauty. So today's video will be on how to deal with an itchy scalp when you have braids on. So my first step is coming up with this solution over here and I will show you how I came up with it. Then I will be using a face towel that I no longer use. I will also be using the cornrowed shampoo. I will first pour some hot water into a container and follow that up by adding some droplets of peppermint oil. The process is quite straightforward. I am first going to wring out the excess water from the face towel and then pour some shampoo on a small section of the face towel. In order to ensure that the shampoo lathers, I am going to dip that small section into the water and wring out the excess. I will then be gently rubbing the product on my scalp. Once you feel like the product on the face towel is drying up, just redo the whole process of dipping the towel into the water, adding some shampoo and making sure that the shampoo lathers. This process is a substitute of washing your hair under a shower or generally just soaking your hair with water. The reason as to why I used peppermint oil is because peppermint oil hydrates hair follicles, promotes hair growth, and relieves scalp from itching. Always remember this rule: whatever you do to your scalp, rather your hair root, is exactly what you're supposed to do on the extension of your braids, because this is where your hair strands are located. Now that my scalp and braids are both clean, I am going to spray the DIY spray that I created in a previous video. I am going to link it in this one just in case you haven't watched it. You can choose to substitute the braid spray with your oil of choice. Also, can you notice how my hair has grown from the braids? This is because of the products I have been using on my scalp and on my braids to boost hair growth, and I will be showing you what those products are by the end of the braid series that I will be creating. Always remember to spray or apply the product on your hairline, the front, the back, and the sides. Once again, the rule, whatever you use on your scalp, remember to also use it on the extension of your braids because this is where your hair strands are located. And that's it. That is what I do when I have an itchy scalp, and also when I want to clean my hair when I notice that it has some product buildup. And that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, share how you prevent or deal with an itchy scalp in the comment section. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.